All right, let's get you the latest political reactions coming in over the Hindenburg report on SEBI that sparked a political storm. The opposition attacking the central government over these allegations and demanding an immediate response from the government. A chorus is also growing from the opposition for an investigation for a parliamentary committee probe. The Congress has in fact alleged after the Hindenburg report that the SEBI was hesitant to go ahead and probe the earlier scam, as they call it, referring to the allegations against the Adani Group. Kharge has said that middle class needs to be protected, and that's why the government must come out with an immediate response. Remember that the opposition has been demanding answers right now from the government on the allegations put forth in the Hindenburg report that accuse the SEBI chief of a go slow, of going soft on the Adani Group. So the Congress now upping the ante on this particular issue, saying that there must be a response from the government, and also backing what the Hindenburg report has said, with in fact many of them coming out to say that the SEBI chief cannot be trusted right now, and that's why they're demanding that there be a joint parliamentary committee that looks into this issue. Rahul Gautam is joining us with more details on this. Rahul, the opposition latching on to the latest Hindenburg report that talks about SEBI, that talks about the Adani Group, and they're demanding that the government come out with a response.
Absolutely, Akshita, and this is an apt opportunity for Congress party to hit out at the incumbent government, saying that during the the previous regimes of Modi government, and that point of time also, they ensured that no harm come to Adani Enterprise, and after this another alleged expose, it is now imperative upon government to formulate a joint parliamentary committee to look into all the allegations. In fact, Congress President Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge has tweeted alleging that the current ruling dispensation is busy in protecting and shielding the interest of Adani Enterprises, Adani Industries, and this is being done only to give undue favors to Adani Enterprises. And clearly, this demands a JPC, and you can expect that, as we have seen in previous sessions also of Parliament, Congress Party would certainly demand to press upon this demand for JPC, and in fact, you can expect that this will certainly be another flashpoint in coming days. You can expect that Congress Party will also hit streets in coming days on this particular issue.
All right, Rahul, thanks very much for joining us with those details. The Congress upping the ante right now against the government, demanding a response from the government on the allegations put forth in the documents released by Hindenburg Research. Let's tell you what exactly these latest revelations by Hindenburg really highlight. The SEBI chief is now under the scanner because of this report put out by Hindenburg Research that targets once again the Adani Group. Hindenburg in his report has alleged a connection between SEBI's chairperson Madhabi Puri Buj and her husband Dhaval and certain offshore entities involved in the Adani money movement case. According to this report, the SEBI chief and her husband had invested in an Adani offshore entity, IP Fund Plus One. The investment estimated the couple's net worth at $10 million. The SEBI chief and her husband have outrightly denied these allegations, stating that their finances are transparent, and they accused the report of being a deliberate attempt to defame them. The Adani government has also rejected the latest Hindenburg allegations as malicious and manipulative. They described the claims as recycled, discredited, and already dismissed by the Supreme Court. Let's get you, in fact, all the political reactions that have come in on the Hindenburg papers.
मैंने तो आपको बता दिया, ये आज नहीं, पिछले 4-5 सालों में बीबीसी की डॉक्यूमेंट्री, 2023 में हिंडनबर्ग की रिपोर्ट, चाहे रिलीजियस फ्रीडम की रिपोर्ट हो, ग्रेटा थनबर्ग का बयान हो, किसानों के ऊपर बयान हो, ये सब के सब संसद सत्र के दौरान आए हैं। तो मैं पुनः कहना चाहता हूं कि विदेशी कंपनियों से कांग्रेस का रिश्ता पुराना है, इसलिए भारत के हर आर्थिक संस्थान पर लगाना निशाना है, और इसके द्वारा किसको फायदा पहुंचाना है, ये भारत की प्रबुद्ध जनता को निश्चित रूप से समझ में आना है।
There is a certain plan behind this. By attacking the independent regulator SEBI, And by casting aspersions on the chairman of SEBI, I don't think this foreign bank is attempting to do anything but create more chaos and more destabilize the Indian economy and the Indian markets.
Look, these are serious matters. I am not aware of the details, but I think obviously any such allegations must be answered satisfactorily or investigated. Can't leave these things hanging out there and casting a cloud on the integrity of our system. So it's important that either a satisfactory explanation is given by the people accused or there should be an investigation.